Okay guys, we're here at the annual Memorial Day Paw Paw car show. We're also going to have a parade today. I was trying to figure out where to start on the car show. Then my attention was attracted to a Chevelle here. Let's go check it out. Oh, it's a 70. And that's a beauty. Wow. Got just the right amount of rubber on it too.
Brand new metal. 55 same way, and 53, no, 48, 47, 48, up to 53, 7 pickup.
My goodness, that's beautiful. Look at that chrome.
Oh yeah, those are brand new metal.
This might be kind of a long video this year. Oh, there's a sticker in the window. What we got here? Oh, it's a 54 Chevy. Straight six with dual carburetors. Isn't that cool? Wow. Look at that interior. Man. Another Chevelle. This one, I believe, is a 69. It says 350 on the fenders, and that's a small block, so I'm gonna believe them. Oh, there's a sticker there. Hey, 69, I was actually right. That's for sale for only $26,000. Again? Oh, I like them wheels. It's got the rally wheels on it with just the right amount of rubber again. That's a beauty. My goodness. Hey, that's not a period correct CD player.
No.
I don't care.
I don't think you'd have found one, period.
No, I don't think so. Maybe an 8-track player.
Yeah, 8-track maybe, yeah.
I had a buddy of mine had a 69 Chevelle. 350.
Uh-huh. That,
Got in a lot of trouble with it.
I just put that engine in there last fall.
And that's beautiful. I was,
crate engine, so we got 2,200 mile on it.
I was looking under the hood. That is clean. Wow. Oh, got one for my sister-in-law. Over here, we got us a Mustang. '69 428 Cobra Jet. I'm gonna back up. Now that's a beauty. Like I said, this is gonna be a long video today. I got the Hearst shifter. That's a beauty inside and out. Wow. And it's got a trunk. Okay. Holy moly, what do we got here? Let's just take it all in here. My goodness, look at that spoiler. Looks like carbon fiber on the front too. Carbon fiber splitter. Supercharged engine. Of course, it's got a free flow intake. Got to feed that blower. Wow. Oh, look at that! It's got a Hearst shifter, just like the other one. That's a beauty. See if I can find the tag and find out what year this thing is. Here we go. It's a 2008. That's a beauty. What do we got over here next? Wow, it's another Mustang. They got the Chevys on one side, Mustangs on the other. Well, for the most part. And these people know how to build cars. 68 Mustang 302. Clean under the hood. Oh, got some stuff in the trunk here. Guess you call it junk in the trunk, huh? Next up's a Camaro. This is going to be a long video, Lisa.
I got a question for you.
Okay. This one's a 76, 350.
Somebody entered a 6-year-old minivan in the competition.
Okay.
If a 6-year-old minivan is an antique, what does that make me?
You're a classic.
Thank you. Good answer.
Oh, look, a Corvette. Okay, for you Volkswagen fans. I think this was here last year, actually. I think I remember this one. I'll check the old video. A 1970 punch buggy. Still pretty cool. Got his ass hanging out. Oh, an 8-ball shifter. That's pretty cool. Nice. Oh, look at that truck. What we got over here? Say 36 Dodge. That's a beauty. Like a 69 Camaro. Don't have to check the tag on this one.
Yeah.
Small block. And again, that is clean. I like that chrome shroud. And I guess it's a filler. Anyway, 69 SS, 350, cowl induction. Here, see, 69. Clean interior.
Got it back to the body shop. Well, it was in the body shop.
Wow.
2,500 Super Duty. Has no running boards.
Okay, I missed the tailgate earlier. But yep, that's a Dodge Ram.
Yeah. See?
Now,
Can't miss anything. That's what you got a wife for.
I saw this shiny thing cross over here. I think it's a 70 and a half Camaro Z28.
Over here for your eating pleasure. They're having a relay for light bake sale with baked goods, pepperoni rolls.
350, 360. Wow, Fender aluminum valve covers. That's cool.
Cans of soda,
Let's see.
chips. Please stop by and
Can't quite make out that
say
ear
hi
there.
to them, folks. They're raising money for a good cause.
But that's a beauty.
But be heading over there here in a little while. And
What's that, dual gate shifter?
I'll get back to you.
Nice. Oh, what do we got over here? That's a beauty there. Okay, according to the window sticker, and I have no reason to doubt it, it's a 1952 Henry J. Vagabond with a 351 Windsor. Looks like it was made for it. Oh, that's a beautiful interior. Look at that dash.
apart. Yeah, they would wore me back together. How long will it be?
That's a beauty there. Looks like it's got some serious rubber on there. I like them wheels. Yeah. Want to make sure I'm rolling. Oh, check out the Flatty. Made in Canada. Ha! That's beautiful. Hello.
How you doing?
Great, beautiful day. Beautiful cars. Just looking forward to the parade later. Oh, look at the interior of this thing. This is wonderful. Wide white walls.
Not typical of a truck, but it sure does add to it.
It sure does. It definitely does. Let's find out what year this is. 1954. It's a big blue Mopar. Hi, Lisa. And a purple Mopar.
I found the dock.
The dock?
Yeah. Doc Jack Watson?
Doc check boxing?
Jack Watson.
I don't know who Doc Jack Watson is.
You will.
Okay.
He looks kind of like a young Einstein.
But that is definitely a Mopar big block. Probably a 440. Let's go around here and see what year this thing is. 1968 383 Roadrunner. I bet this thing will do some running. Oh, check out the shifter. That's old pistol grip. Big old tack on it. Wow, that's a beauty. Now, let's check out this Super B. Well, let's do the tag first. 1969 440 Super B. Check out that big purple engine under there. Wow, that's nice. I know I'm going to say that a lot because, well, it's true.
They got Betty Boop in the trunk.
Yeah, I saw her. And more on this Super B. And there's my wife. Hello, Lisa.
I give you a hit. You want one?
What, a Model A?
No.
Oh, her shifter, T-handle. Oh, I saw it down there. There's a few of them that got it.
No, I mean, they actually got the guy.
Oh.
And he actually signed it.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I gotta get this. Oh, check
that's
that.
right, yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool. What we got on the hood here? Well, on the front where the hood would be. Alright, let's take it in. Looks like it's something that the Munsters would drive. Check out the zoomies on that small block. Custom Custom Rat Rod, 1922 Model T. That's a comfy looking bench seat. I hope they got this one in the parade, because I sure like to see it go down the road. Okay, I'm going to back up and get an overall. You know, this just might be my thumbnail right there.
I talked to the owner. He said that taking your last ride in that mobile, it's retired, but it's negotiable.
Oh, what do we got here? Okay, let me look at it. I'm not gonna look at the tag yet. That looks like a 1931 Ford two-door. Let's see how close I am. Oh, check that out, a 1931 Ford two-door. I'm good.
Yeah, the car still works. The driver, maybe not so much.
Yeah. Oh, look at that beautiful interior. I like that brass.
Like I said before,
Ooh, that's going to be in the parade. You can tell because it's got lollipops on the seat.
Ah,
I saw a canister of bubblegum about this big.
wow, that's a beauty. Now, this is something I wouldn't mind driving.
You can start judging. Now, when you get to ballot, you see a car that you like, please write down
Okay.
the car show number.
It's a
That's
Dodge.
The number that's on the white card.
A lifted
That's
Dodge
on the
truck.
car. All right.
Okay.
So we have those that are participating.
What we got here?
in the ballot.
That looks like a 68 Camaro. Parked next to
I also want to give a
another
shout out
68 Camaro.
to,
Both a couple
some of the other
SS's.
folks that are selling food. And ask that you go over and support those folks. Our Paw Paw High School STEM Club, they're doing absolutely
What we got there?
wonderful work.
It looks like a small block.
Our STEM advisors,
Probably a 350.
entrepreneurs. They're selling hot
Well,
dogs, hamburgers,
350.
beer brats, beef sticks, and drinks. Go over there and give them
There you go. You
your
can see the
support.
cutout reflected
and
in the mirror.
also our Paw Paw Lions Club. They're also doing good work here in the community.
It's a
Whatever
beauty.
their hands find to do, you can be sure that they're out there helping to make our community a better place.
Let's check out this other 68 with the Kragers.
They're located
We'll start at
over
the back.
here.
Not
to
right
my
off most
left.
everybody anymore, Goose.
So please go over there and support those folks, and don't forget
Check out the
Lighthouse
pistol grip
Assembly of
shifter.
God Relay for Life bake sale.
And the Marine Bear.
All good causes. We ask you that you go over and support those folks.
SS 350, just like the other one. The other
All
one.
right, Rick Springfield from 1981.
All right, check this out.
Jesse's Girl.
That's shiny and clean. Ah, another one for Wendy. Supercharged Mustang again. That's a heck of a lot of engine under there. What do we got here? 2012. I just hope that music isn't going to mess me up.
I'd like to do that.
Okay, we're checking out this 55 over here.
Judging is
That's a beauty there.
And don't forget to.
Oh, check out the little model. I think this was here last year too.
Folks that are
But it's still a beauty.
raising money.
Small block Chevy,
The Paw Paw Lions
aluminum radiator
Paw Paw High School STEM
with a
Club,
blow-through electric fan.
Lighthouse Assembly of God Church.
Oh, check out the cog belt.
For life. Please go and support those folks. All right.
Oh, here we go. 55 Chevy, 383 stroker, 405 horsepower. That's a beauty. That's a beauty.
I'm so excited. All right. Monkeys just came out with a brand new album yesterday. Their album is #1 on Amazon. This is their third single from the album. It's called Me and Magdalena.
Wow.
Wow.
1957 Chevy. What gets me on these cars is the under hood area is just so beautiful and clean. Yeah, I know they detail them, and they really detail them for the show, and that's groovy. What we got? 383 stroker in this one. Oh, and it's got the BMM. Oh, it's like a B&M dual gate shifter. Digital dashboard. That's another thing when they got a nice detailed trunk area. I'm trying to blither, so hopefully I won't get too overly muted. Okay, let's check out this Hearst Olds. Now I see what my wife was talking about when she said she went over and saw the dock. Oh, check that out. That is cool. Well, see if we can find the tag on this thing. Well, according to this, 72 Hearst Olds. How's it going, man? How's it going, Doc? Very nice. And of course, it's got the Hearst shifter. You know it, kids. Wow. Oh, it looks like we got another one for Wendy. '88 302 Mustang. That's nice and clean. Let's do a walk around. It's not entered in the show, but it's still very nice. Saw us in the parade last year, and it's like, is that really a factory original real Model T? And well, I finally got a chance to get up close and personal and take a look at it.
Where are they at?
Oh, look at that! It's got the little leather retainer for the crank. Oh my goodness!
Yeah, it's crank holder.
It's got the 4-cylinder flathead, and like my wife said, it's an antique. It says made in USA. Wow, this is a beauty. Well, I know that woodwork's not original.
Oh yeah, it's
Must have been redone.
You know,
Yeah, but it's got
been
the
restored or whatever.
oh yeah, it's got the buzz coils,
Yeah.
planetary tranny. Now those pedals are completely different from what they are now. The right pedal, that's your brake.
Yeah.
The one on the left is your clutch / shifter.
Yeah.
That's your emergency brake / shifter.
Yeah.
And the one in the middle is your reverse.
Yeah.
So if you get in this thing and try to drive it like a regular car, that ain't gonna work.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a different ball game.
Oh yeah. And that's a beauty too. Oh, check out the old, what do you call it, a banjo rear?
That's the original plate that come out that year, and that's
Oh my goodness.
that's the only year they had it like that. West Virginia. The guy told me that's
I believe it. There's no reason not to.
that's what he told me. That's the only year they come out with it.
Wow, well, I'll be looking forward in the parade. I'll be the guy set up with the camera on a tripod.
Are you Indian?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah?
Blackfoot, yeah. Yeah, that's why I wear this.
Yeah, I seen that.
Because a lot of people, okay, where was I? It's a Model A with a 32 grill shell. That's what threw me off. Just enough rubber, I like that.
Oh, wait.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
Doing all right.
Checking out this Model A here.
I liked it all until I seen the Chevrolet engine sitting in it.
Oh, yeah.
That just disgusts me, Wayne.
I think they should stay factory
if it's a Ford,
correct.
put a
Yep.
Ford in it. If it's a Chevy, put a Chevy in it.
Oh, but then again, that Chevy's got a Cummins in it.
I seen that.
Ain't no problem with that, though.
No, I'd rather see the Cummins than
Yeah.
the Chevrolet engine. I tell you, somebody put a lot of work into it.
That is nice. They had a blue dot taillights too. Talk about details. Now I'm rolling. All right. Over here we got a Falcon 500.
Regarding the Mustang Cobra. It's not the black one, it is the silver one with blue stripes. And it's entry
1964 289.
It has a bad antifreeze. So if that's yours, go check it out.
That's a beauty too.
Late reject, he wasn't here.
Okay, I think next up. All right, guys. Next up, I think we're going to go over and set up for the parade. I just got to find my wife.